everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with them MaNtuli Soapy Stories, and today I talk about Skeem Sam guys, and yay saze Sasha waze wasixaka ukhwezikazi ephenduka victim sibhekile. Guys, I've been wondering myself ukuthi how will Lehasa, Khwezi and the Prissy story unfold. It's a new season guys, season 11, and yes, we are expecting a lot of changes. Most people are asking themselves if Lehasa will survive or not. Well guys, he will make it, he won't die, and Prissy's family will be disappointed that yes, she lied to them and she is in love with their worst enemy Lehasa again, even after what he did to her the time she was pregnant. But again, hey guys, lerato ki lerato. As for Khwezikazi, izinto ngeke zimhambele according to her plans. The tears has revealed that she will try plan B, even try to finish Pretty once and for all, but nothing will work out. On the other side, Peterson will work very hard to make sure he puts a final nail to Khwezikazi's coffin in the form of calves. The teasers also revealed that Peterson's investigation will not leave Lehasa out of this whole drama. He's been waiting for a longest time to put them behind the bars. July will be about inkombankombane between Khwezi, Lehasa and Peterson digging their graves. Despite everything that has happened, Pretty will choose Lehasa, leaving her family shocked. Can we expect linyalo between the two lovebirds, Pretty and Lehasa? Do leave your comment guys below and share your opinion. Have a nice day. Bye.